Hey, this is Rebecca with a quick tip about network marketing online. So today what I want to talk to you about is push versus pull marketing. So when you start in network marketing, you're taught the push version of marketing, where you go out there and you push your products and your business onto absolutely everybody. Am I right? Yeah. So you're supposed to share your business with family, friends, acquaintances, strangers, and they'll tell you it's not selling, it's just sharing. But really what you're doing is you're pushing your products and your business onto everybody and hoping that something sticks, that you find somebody who is interested in becoming a customer or a team member. Now, the strategy can work, and it does work really well for some people, but the fact is over 90% of network marketers fail with this strategy. And you know what? I tried it. I totally hated it, and I totally failed at it spectacularly, as most of us do. So what I learned how to do was something that I'm calling pull marketing instead. So it's just what it sounds like. Instead of pushing your products and your business out onto anybody who will listen, what you're doing is you are pulling in people who are already looking for what you're offering. Does that sound amazing? I know, totally amazing. So basically how this works, you can do it both offline and online. I'm going to talk about online for just a couple of minutes right now. How it works online is you create content, and content can be blog posts, videos, social media posts, and any sort of thing, anything that sort of has value, has content, has depth to it. And you put that out in front of the right audience. And when you can learn to find the right audience, to find people who are already looking for what you are offering, then you can put your stuff out in front of them and they will literally come to you. So can you imagine waking up in the morning and finding your email inbox full of messages saying, hey, I'm really interested in your products, or I'm really interested in your business. Can you tell me more? Yeah, way better than going out and prospecting in the coffee shops or at grocery stores or at family reunions. I've done all of these and I hate them and I failed at them. But what you can do is you can create valuable content, put it out there, and literally have people coming to you. So if you want to start that, I'm going to give you one quick tip just to get you started right now. And the best way to do that, absolute best way to do that, is with a blog. Now, the reason for that is you can create valuable content. You can create blog posts, articles, essentially solving problems in your niche market, and you can have them out there on the internet working for you 24/7. With social media is really good for drawing attention to your blog, but when you post things, eventually they disappear. They go down the news feed, they go down your page, and they disappear into the void. And videos are really good too, but you want this central hub, and that is going to be your blog. So if you set up a blog and you write articles about basically about topics in your niche market, find out what people are struggling with and just go out there and solve those problems. Write 300 to 500 words about a specific problem, post it, and then you, with the right techniques, with the right resources, you can have your stuff found on the search engines. When people search for you, they search for, say, how to lose weight after having a kid, or how to get exercise in 10 minutes, or how to make your own kitchen cleaner. If they're looking for, say, essential oils for colds and flus, anything at all, anything that's related to your niche market, they put it in there and you'll show up and bang, new customers, new team members. It's amazing. So that's tip number one. Get a blog, start thinking about a blog, start thinking about what it is you're passionate about and what you would like to write about. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do this, if you're like, okay, I want customers and team members to come to me, sure, I'm on board, I'll start a blog, but what the heck does that mean? Where do I start? How do I do it? How do I set it up? What do I write about? What I want you to do is go to my blog and I have a ton of resources on there. So if you click on the link below this video and go to RebeccaVendetti.com, you'll see all sorts of resources for blogging for network marketers. You'll also see sort of a beginner's guide. Go on there, check it out, find more things, and start pulling customers to you. All right. Happy marketing.